I think it's ironic that CBT has its roots in behavior therapy, because behavior therapy was all about environments, right? So what's ironic about it is all these I call them the isms, racism, sexism, cissexism, heterosexism, ableism, ageism. They're about environments, social and physical environments. And yet, because the field of behavioral and cognitive behavioral therapy has been so homogeneous, the dominant culture members didn't pay attention to these things. And now people are paying attention, and people are beginning to say, okay, look, we need to look at these structural barriers in addition to what's going on in a person's head. It isn't all about, what a person thinks. It's also about what's going on in the larger environment, and in the therapy setting, even the identity of the therapist and the identity of the client and the interaction of those identities. They all have meaning. Even in terms of these systems of oppression and privilege, they even affect the coping strategies available to people. So we need to take these in account. And I do see CBT as able to do that, but we have to pay very deliberate attention to the environmental influences, the isms. And then we can also use it to look at internalized kinds of beliefs and thoughts. We know that racism can be internalized, sexism is internalized, and heterosexism in the form of self-talk that can be very hurtful and harmful to people. And CBT can be helpful in that regard.